Hi there, welcome to our short video of converting your PDF notes to quiz in Quizziz easily using Quizziz AI function. Let's dive right in. First of all, get ready your PDF notes. Next, log into your Quizziz account, right, as a teacher. Click on this button, Quizziz AI, and the left-hand side panel. So click on next, click on this button, documents, and you'll come to this panel where you have this space where you can drag and drop your file into it, and it includes a PDF file. Next, go to your file manager, minimize the file manager so you can easily drag and drop. Open up your file manager on top of your Quizziz. Move the file manager to the side so you can see the whole panel for the drag and drop space. Click on the file, drag it over, and until you see that the space, the panel for the drag and drop is in a way grayed off, then release. So the Quizziz will automatically process the PDF note for you, right? Then next it will ask you if you want how many questions would you want. Usually I will keep it at 15. Then we can delete off because some questions may not be necessary. Okay, and then there will be suggested grade. You just have to click it and choose your grade. All right. Okay, so once these two main things are done, you can just go scroll down and click generate quiz. Wait for a few seconds. Voila, the quiz is generated. All right, so you can see that sometimes even if you ask for 15, they may give you 14 or less. Yeah, and then some of the questions you may need to take a few minutes to go through and see if the questions do make sense in terms of the answers. Are they correct? The sentences, do they make sense? Yeah, you may want to change some to make it easier for your students to understand what you mean. Yeah, or even create scenarios. Once I check through all the questions, yeah, so then what I'll do is then if it's all right for me, next to confirm the quiz, I will click publish here and wait for a few seconds. All right, this is done. All right, so last thing that I would like to share with you, is to you may consider if you want to choose your own title because this is based on the notes. Right, so what you can do is to change the title, just click on this pencil icon, and then you can go ahead and change the title. Yep, to make it enticing for your student. Okay, so once you confirm the title, you just click outside. It will be confirmed. Okay, so I hope that this video benefits you and your student, making your lessons more interesting and fun. Okay, enjoy. Yeah, please do click subscribe at the bottom and have fun. Thank you. Bye.